Hello, my name is Juliana Benner and I am coming to you live from the High Source Support Channel, and I am all about bringing the information from the medical medium Anthony William via spirit, high spirit of compassion. And I am trying to make this lifestyle, the protocols of the medical medium, how to make it easy in your life. So first and foremost, I want to say hi, and that it has changed my life incredibly for the last year and a bit, since September, not this past September, but the September before. I have been on this journey and I've lost 30 pounds, well 25, and up and down 5 pounds instead of 15 up and down, and not being able to lose those last 10-15 pounds was years and years. I'm now 50 this year in September, and I have no more tingling and numbness in my hands and feet. I haven't had vertigo, which I was having throughout my 40s. I haven't had it in probably over a year, and I have more energy. I feel my vitality is back. I'm sleeping great. Just so much has happened since I read this book, The Medical Medium by Anthony William, and his newest book is all about thyroid healing, and I highly recommend this book. And where I'm coming from today is teaching you how to do the first step on your journey and to make it easy and simple. And that is making lemon water, hot lemon water, first thing in the morning. So I'm going to just start off and let it rip. So here goes. Lemons. Lemons are very important in your diet, and when you first drink lemon water first thing in the morning, it gets the detox of the liver, of your kidneys, of your thyroid, jump started basically. And I really recommend washing, even though these are organic lemons. I wash the lemon first and foremost, rinse it off really well. No using soap, not necessary to use soap. I cut the lemon in half, and I have a, let's see, where is that? A lemon juicer, the simple lemon juicer. I love this one. If you can find one like this that comes apart, it's great. And basically I just squeeze the lemon juice, and as I'm doing this, I've gotten a pot of water starting to boil, and I actually make my tea as well. When I do my lemon water, I make my tea for the day, herbal tea, which herbs, we're not utilizing the God-given earth herbs that we are surrounded by. In the garden outside here I have rosemary and sage and oregano. All of those herbs can be made into great teas. Thyme is an amazing tea, but we'll talk about that in another show. But I do get enough water boiling so that I can make my lemon water, my hot lemon water, and fill up my teapot to make a good 2 to 3 cups, big cups of tea for the day, using different herbs, different days, different herbs. So what I'm going to do is squeeze the lemons, 1 lemon. Some people like to do half of a lemon. I do a whole lemon because I'm going to make enough, and I put about, this amount of cold water, or, room temperature water in my glass. Very important to have glass water bottle, because you do not want to use plastic, especially putting hot water in plastic and getting those, BPAs into your body. You do not want that. And so I squeeze the lemons, and I save this. Actually, I'll juice this with my celery juice to make my celery juice taste a little less bitter. So I'll put the lemon, the whole lemon that I've squeezed, right into this cup. And this has already come to a boil. So I'm going to turn that off and pour in the hot water. Right about to the top, a little room left for a big dollop of raw organic honey. I love this brand, but I keep changing the brands that I use so that I get different varieties of, some bees go to clover, some bees go to, I don't know, rose hips, who knows. But Manuka is the very expensive one in New Zealand. I sometimes buy that for a treat. So I use a big dollop, probably about a tablespoon of honey, and I'll put that right into my lemon water. And I like the raw honey. Generally it's solid. I will make, next time I make, this is from Costco. It's a good raw honey, 100% raw honey. It's not organic, but it does seem to stay more liquid, so I'll use this type of honey to make my salad dressings when I use honey. Okay, so I've got the other thing that I add to my lemon water every morning, everybody needs zinc. This is one of the main supplements, including B12, what else? We have zinc, B12, cat's claw is another one that most people need for viruses. But in terms of supplements, zinc is, everybody across the board needs zinc. So I'll add, every day, I'll add 1 dropper full, and generally it fills up to halfway full, into my lemon water in the morning, because zinc in water tastes disgusting. And having the honey in this and the lemons, which are food, the zinc does not affect me. Some people need actually to have the zinc with a meal because it might make you nauseous. So I'll then just shake up all of this, the honey, the lemon, and the hot water, and the zinc, and it just takes a little while to get this to dissolve because it is a solid honey, and it tastes like hot lemonade. So I'm going to read off a few things as that starts to dissolve that I've written down from this book, Life-Changing Foods. This is the medical medium Anthony Williams' second book, and all about lemons. This chapter, it's just beautifully written, all about the different foods in our diets, kiwis and figs, and he talks about, it's all coming from spirit, which, you know, you cannot deny the word of God, basically. So I'm going to read this a little bit, but first I would like to say from the book what lemons do for the body. Basically, lemon and lime trees, lime is another that you could use in the morning. Their roots go very, very deep into the earth, pulling dozens of trace minerals into the fruit. Yay! It's ultra hydrating and electrolyte producing because they provide mineral salts, including trace minerals. The most absorbable vitamin C and calcium, bioactive calcium, and lemanoids, which are phytochemicals, bond the vitamin C and the calcium so you get it directly into your cells. Prevents cancer because it creates an alkalinity in the body. Antioxidant flavonoids that fight disease, so it's full of antioxidant flavonoids. And it also helps expel mucus. So if you ever have a cold or a flu, definitely drink. I would drink this every day, but when you're in the cold and flu season and you have a touch of a sore throat coming on, or you have, you know, you're snotty, definitely start drinking lemon. Lemon and ginger is another thing that I love to add. Once in a while, I'll grate some fresh ginger into my lemon honey water. And so mucus expellent, it cleanses the liver, as I said before, kidneys, spleen, thyroid, and gallbladder, purging toxic substances like plastics, synthetic chemicals, and radiation. And it helps with the natural detox process of the body first thing in the morning. So it helps to hydrate you as well. When we wake up in the morning, we're very dehydrated. I actually drink probably half of a water bottle full of water right at my bedside, and I'll come down and leave a little bit of the water in here and make my lemon water. So in a nutshell, that's it. That's how quickly it takes to make your warm, hot lemonade water. And I thank you so much for watching my channel, and have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.